Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, an APQS quilting instructor. This is just a sample of a table runner that you could do for ruler work, for curved rulers. And this took us less than an hour, I think, and it went really fast. Now, broaden your horizons a little. What if you had quilt path and you wanted to throw in some really fun blocks in different colors, and you could just pop them all over like a crazy quilt, and then in between we can use our ruler work. So I like to use the purple air erasable pen, and in this case this ruler work is actually nylon thread, so it's that clear thread, so you just see the texture. So I have the colored thread with these quilt path blocks, and I put those in first, and then I detach my quilt path and I do the ruler work, and in this case I use the nylon thread. So really think about all the different ways that you can use the APQS quilt path, the Millennium, the extended base, ruler work. You can literally do computerized and ruler work on the same quilt.